Hello, everyone. Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is going to be called the Cornucopia. Let me get my collar up there real quick. We're using a tie and what is called a gear tie. You can get these at Lowe's, any kind of hardware store, Amazon, gear tie. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our tie over to the belt line on the left-hand side. Bring it over. I'm going to come up. I'm going to leave it like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have it kind of coiled like this. I'm going to put my gear tie in there. Leave it like this. I'm going to kind of slant it like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this back over like so. Then I'm going to come back around and I'm going to come back over again. And if I can, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Come back over us. Let's tighten that up a bit. We can tighten it up. Let's tighten it up. Time. Let me put my collar down here. Rotate that up. I don't want that poking out. I'll just squeeze that back in there. Let me have the different layers of the cornucopia right there. So there you have it. So there's your cornucopia knot. This, I don't know how sturdy this will be. I'm going to do my best with it, guys. There you go. Cornucopia. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made, and we'll catch you in the next video.